I'm going to tell you what happens after the date. After you drop her home, after you send the message saying you had a great time, what happens next? You have never been in the room for, but I have. Many times. Women debrief, not casually, with precision. Within an hour of leaving you, she has likely already sent a message to at least one woman who she trusts. What goes into that message is not what you would expect. It is not primarily about how you look, how successful you are, even what you said. It's about how you made her feel, and more specifically, what she sensed underneath what you were saying. Women are not analysing your words. They are reading your energy. Here is what gets discussed. First, whether you were present, not physically present, actually present. Were you in that conversation with her? Or were you somewhere else? Forming a version of yourself for her approval. She can tell. She would have reported it. Second, whether you were curious about her, not interested in impressing her, not interested in telling her about yourself. Curious about who she actually is. This is rarer than it sounds. Most men on a date are managing their own anxiety. They are thinking about how they are coming across. The man who is genuinely curious about the woman in front of him stands out immediately. He gets discussed differently. Third, how you handled any moment of awkwardness. Every interaction has one. A pause that went slightly too long, a topic that landed flat, a moment where neither of you knew quite what to say. How a man navigates that moment tells a woman more about him than the entire rest of the conversation. Does he rush to fill the silence? Does he over-explain? Does he become awkward? Or does he sit in it with enough ease that it becomes just a moment rather than an incident? Security in uncertainty is one of the most attractive things a man can demonstrate. And fourth, whether you were there for her or there for your ego. This is the one that men find hardest to hear. A significant portion of male behavior on dates is driven not by genuine interest in the woman, but by a desire to be validated by her. Women feel this acutely. The man who needs her admiration is not the same as the man who enjoys her company. One is transactional, one is genuine. She knows which one she's sitting across from, and she would have told her friends. What women want to be able to say in that message makes them reach for their phone with that particular kind of smile. It is, he actually listened. He wasn't trying to impress me. He was just there. He didn't need me to validate him every 5 minutes. He was comfortable in his own skin. These are not complicated things, but they are uncommon. And uncommon things are what get discussed with excitement rather than curiosity. Now, I'm not telling you this so you can perform these qualities. I'm telling you this so you understand what is actually being assessed. Because when you know what she's actually looking for and you discover it's not what you thought it was, everything else gets simpler. Not easier, just simpler. She doesn't want a performance. She wants a person, specifically, a person who is secure enough not to need her to complete him. This is what goes into the group chat as a good report. Free guide below. I'll see you in the next video.